Now an Eyewitness News exclusive, a widow in Westchester County grieving twice. Her husband died last year. She wanted him cremated, but months later, no one knows where the ashes are. No one. Not the funeral home, not the crematorium, not the U.S. Postal Service. Eyewitness News reporter Jim Dolan is here with what the widow is now forced to do. Jim?
Bill, on Christmas Eve last year, 2 Postal Service employees knocked on Shelley Eady's door in Larchmont. They told Mrs. Eady, a widow whose husband of 39 years died in November, that they had lost her husband's ashes. They had them, they moved them, and they lost them. And then they said it was over. There was nothing more they could do.
For 1 week, I stood out there every day at 11:30 looking for my husband's remains.
But they never came. Miles Eady was 62 years old when he died last November after a long illness. He asked to be cremated, and Shelley intended to put some of the ashes in this locket so she and her husband of 39 years, the only man she ever loved, would be together forever.
That was my husband's last wish. I'm sorry. I knew this was going to.
The Rosedale Rose Hill Cemetery in Linden, New Jersey performed the cremation and mailed the ashes on December 3rd. Shelley told Eyewitness News reporter Tim Fleischer she followed the tracking number provided by the post office.
He got to the post office on December 5th at 8:50 in the morning. I have that information.
The post office doesn't deny any of it. In a statement to Eyewitness News today, a spokesman said an extraordinary review of this service anomaly, an exhaustive search to identify what happened, were unsuccessful. On February 6th, Ms. Eady was reimbursed $195 for the urn and $9.30 for the postage. Service anomaly?
I never received my husband's remains, so I don't understand that at all. My husband certainly was worth more than $204.32.
Mrs. Eady is suing the United States Postal Service, though she doesn't specify an amount for damages. But what she really wants to know, what is hardest to understand in all this, is what happened. The urn and the ashes make a pretty big package, and of course to Ms. Eady, an important one. And the post office simply lost it. They offer no explanation. Liz?